Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Getter. In today's video, you will learn how to remove background from photo with the help of Photopea. Photopea is an excellent photo editor in which you can easily import or export PSD files. Open your Google Chrome and search photopea.com. Once the website is open, go to Open from Computer. Open the photo whose background you want to remove. Like I have opened a photo of a bird here. Now go to the Select option and click on BG Remove. You will see that you will see the image with white background, which means the background of the photo has been removed. Now you can simply go to File, and you can export as PNG, PDF, or even you can save as PSD. If you like the video, then like, share it. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.